If you just got your dbrand grip for the Galaxy Z Flip 8, relax, this is going to be easy. Note that your grip comes with 4 elements: a case, a microfiber cleaning cloth, a set of spare adhesive strips, and a skin. Let's get started. First, use one of the included alcohol wipes to thoroughly clean the device. Then, wipe it dry with your microfiber cloth. The grip case is lined with a series of adhesive strips, so it's important to make sure that your phone is spotless before inserting it into the grip. Now, let's install the grip case, beginning with the top piece. To begin, remove the protective film from the adhesive strips inside the case. Once the films have been removed, pop the top piece onto the device. Next, squeeze the top to ensure the case is fully seated. Then, smooth out the thin edge to secure it in place. Finally, squeeze the bottom corners to secure the small adhesive strips. If you ever need to replace any of the adhesive strips, you'll find extras on the included sheet. If you're finding a small bit of exposed metal poking out from the top edge, don't panic. Use the medium-sized strip. Apply it to the top of your device. Then reattach the case. Once complete, your top piece should look like this. Let's move on to the bottom piece. Installation is easy. Just pop it on, then squeeze to ensure the device is fully seated. Finally, let's customize your grip case. Before getting started, let's take a closer look at the case. You'll notice a small ridge around the entire back of the case and hinge protector. This ridge will help you line up the skin properly. To get started, remove the main piece from the 3M paper and reattach as shown. Next, align against the corners, ensuring the edge is perfectly straight. Once everything is lined up perfectly, apply pressure to the exposed edge. You may now remove the 3M paper entirely and smooth it out. Finally, let's install the hinge piece. Remove the skin from the 3M paper and line it up against the raised lip. Once it's in the correct position, apply pressure to secure the edge. Finally, smooth out the skin by wrapping it around the hinge. Once complete, your skin should look like this. Done. If you have any questions, you know how to reach us.